Welcome back. Our recipe for today is strawberry pie. And don't forget to press the button to subscribe.
Super Pie is arrived. Stay tuned. Follow and share and watch the land. Thank you so much.
We're back. We're gonna make butter pie crust. Let's do it now. Of course, we have ingredients here. 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, half pack of butter out from the fridge. It's cold. And then 6 tablespoons of ice water. So let's start it. First of all, we're gonna have this flour on our bowl. We have to use a mixer right now. We're gonna add our sugar and salt. Then mix it first so all the dry ingredients will combine. Like this, we just mix the butter together with our dry ingredients. It's entitled okay now, and we have to add 6 tablespoons of ice water one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Look at the dough. It's really nice. This is the texture of dough that we're gonna expect it, and we have to form the dough. Spread some flours on your working board. And have a pleasure dough in here. We just cut it into 2.
After dividing the dough, you have to store in the fridge in 1 hour, and we'll be back.
The recipe I make for today is strawberry pie. Wow, it's gonna be yummy. Half cup flour and half cup sugar. We have to add cinnamon powder and mix it.
Don't forget to follow and share our best recipe.
Perfect.
Thank you for watching. See you next video.
So cute. Cute.